Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 for every image you upload. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. Please, guys, hit that like button for me. It's really going to help out this channel, and it's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. So help a brother out and hit that like button for me. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions or concerns about this method. I try to answer all the comments that I get in the comment section. So please don't hesitate to leave your question, any concerns down in the comment section. Now guys, this method is free to start. You don't need any money at all, and it's available worldwide. Now, if it's not available in your country, please leave it down in the comments below. Let me know that it's not available in your country, and I'll make sure to do my research for my next video so I can make sure these methods are covered in your country. So leave that down in the comments below. And guys, all you need is a computer or cell phone and a good internet connection, and you're ready to go to make this money. Now, please watch this video. Please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm on Google, and what I did was typed in cats in the search bar, and as you see, a lot of images of cats popped up, and we're going to use these images to make money. So every time somebody view your image, you're going to make money. And I'm going to tell you the site you're going to go to upload these images and make money from people just checking out cats. The reason why I picked cats are very popular, especially with the women. They love cats pictures, and there's a lot of cat lovers out there. So what you're going to do once you put in cats and all the images come up, you want to go to tools, and then you want to go to usage rights. And then you're going to click on Creative Commons license. So cat videos come up. A lot more cat videos come up. Now, you can use any of these cat videos now without being copyrighted. Before, if you don't use Creative Commons, you're not gonna be able to use those images because they're owned by somebody else. So when you go to this site and you upload an image that's owned by somebody else, it's might get taken down, or you might get sued because you're using somebody else's image. So what we're gonna do, like I said before, download at least 5 to 10, maybe 20, or maybe even 30 images of all different cats on here, and we're gonna go to this other site where you're gonna make the money every time somebody view your image. So let's go to that website right about now. Okay guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Click a Snap. So it says here, it pays to share, sign up, and get paid for your content. So once you come here guys, you're going to click on Marketplace. It's going to take you here, and here's all the categories. So I suggest that you not only put up animal images, but also upload images of coastal, nature, street photography, people, space, illustration. So I suggest you do all that, because the more images you put up, the more money you can make. And you can easily start making up to $100 from these images when people view them. Now, let me tell you how much for each image when they view it, how much you're going to get paid. Okay guys, so I clicked on the frequently asked questions, and as far as for each image, you're going to get paid 40 cents, as you can see here. 40 cents for each image. I know that's not much, but guys, it'll add up. It will add up. As long as you have a lot of images out there on this site, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to make some good money. I mean, you're not going to get rich doing this, but you're going to make some good money that you can use to fund your other venture where you can even make more money. So you probably want to check out some other videos if you haven't, if you're new. Now guys, now you got to have PayPal account. So make sure you have a PayPal account so you can get paid every time somebody view your image. Now they have a lot of other frequently asked questions on here. I'm not going to go through all of them. So when you come to this site, before you sign up, if you want to come here and read a little bit more about the site and learn a little bit more by looking at these frequently asked questions, please do so. But guys, that's really it. That's the whole method. All you got to do is get the image, upload it to this site, and start making that money, guys. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes. That's all I want, just 20 likes, guys. That's all I ask. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is this. Please type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right about now. It's going to help you increase your chance of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers, which is right around the corner. So please put that word down in the comments below right about now. Okay guys, I always want to do a shout out in all my videos, so I'm going to give another shout out today. And I'm going to give a shout out to this person. I'm going to put their comment on the screen right about now. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber, and hope you keep watching my videos, keep sharing them, and keep hitting that like button. All right guys, that's it. Thank you for your support. I know I say this every video, but I really do mean it, guys. I really do. Thank you for helping this channel get to this point. I know we're still small, but we're growing, and I really appreciate you guys, and I hope I'm bringing some value to you guys so you can start making this money online and become financially free like me. All right guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out these videos right here until my next one come out. Peace, and have a prosperous day, please.